As we never like dividing in mathematics, the opposite divide is to multiply. My first step is to find the lowest common multiple of all three denominators, i.e. what's the first number that appears in the 3, 4 and 6 times table, which in this case is 12. Therefore I'm going to multiply my whole equation 3 by 12, and it guarantees to eliminate all the denominators in one go. On the left hand side, my first fraction, 12 divided by 3, will give us 4. So therefore I'm left with 4 lots of whatever's on the top, which in this case is a plus 5. As I have two terms, I place it inside single brackets. For my second fraction, again times in by 12, well I know that 12 divided by 4 is 3, and the sign outside is plus, so I'm going to have plus 3 lots. Again, I've got two terms, single brackets of a minus 1. Don't forget I've got to multiply the whole equation by 12, so on the right hand side, I now have 12 divided by 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2, so I've got two lots in my numerator, which in this case is 5. Expanding out my single bracket, whatever's directly outside, I multiply each term directly inside my single bracket. Here 4 times a will give us 4a, and 4 times 5 gives us plus 20. Expanding my second single bracket, whatever's directly outside, I multiply each term directly inside. Here 3 times a will give us plus 3a, and 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. On the right hand side of my equation, I have 2 times 5, which will give us 10. Collecting like terms, I know like terms have the same combination letters. Here I have 4a plus 3a. They're like terms, they both end in the letter a. 4a add 3a will give us 7a. Collecting my number terms, in this case I have plus 20, subtract 3, which will give us plus 17. And it's still all equal to 10 on the right hand side of my equation. As I'm solving, I want to work out the numerical value of the letter, which in this case is letter a. So I find the letter a and basically cover it up. I eliminate any of the term on the same side as the letter I want by doing the inverse. So the opposite adds 17. I'm going to subtract 17 from both sides of my equation. On the left hand side, 17 subtract 17 will cancel to leave us with 7a. And on the right hand side, 10 subtract 17 will give us negative 7. 7a in algebra means 7 multiplied by a. As I want to find the numerical value for the letter a, opposite times by 7 is to divide both sides of my equation by 7. 7 over 7 will cancel to leave us with just a, and negative 7 divided by 7 will give us negative 1. So my final answer for 4 marks is a is equal to negative 1.